We're back with Rural Lifestyle Dealers 5 Questions With. I'm Managing Editor Christine Book, and I'm so very pleased to be joined today by Alex Woods, Kubota Tractor Corporation's President and Supply Chain Management Leader for North America. Alex, next up, I would really be interested in getting your insight. You talked about the innovations over the past 10 years, even the past 25, with Kubota's place in the industry and in the outdoor power equipment market. Let's put on your forecasting hat. What are you seeing as far as innovations over the next decade?
Sure. So, I think, while this has slowed down a little bit in the last couple of years, I think we're going to continue to see something develop with electrification and other fuel sources, power sources is going to continue to develop. And I think as that technology develops and the pricing comes a little bit more in line, there's going to be a certain portion of lifestyle users that's going to appeal to. So that's going to be part of it. We hear a lot in the industry around automation and autonomous or semi-autonomous automation, and connectivity and how that's going to affect us, and integrated telematics and so forth. I think the opportunity is, how do we use those technologies to appeal to customers in this segment, right? So I believe that a rural lifestyle customer wants to sit in his tractor or her tractor and use it, right? So is autonomy really going to be a driver in this segment? No. But two areas that I really see, these folks, they have other jobs, and I think a lot of them spend all week thinking about what they're going to do that weekend, right, with their equipment and on their farm. So first of all, that machine's got to be ready to go to work Saturday morning. And I think the ability to provide remote service and use telematics and preventative maintenance options and so forth to make sure that we can do that work before the machine goes down, so it is ready to go Saturday morning, is going to be a great opportunity for us. And these technologies will help drive that. And I think also a lot of our owners are probably less experienced in equipment operation. So while they may be able to do an okay job, as we start to look at these features and automations and precisions features being added to the equipment, I think the opportunity is they will be able to do work at a professional grade level. So I think those are some opportunities of using technology, but applying it to the customer's needs that I think are going to be real opportunities going forward.
And you bring up another good point. Can you address a little bit about how your dealers help those customers rise to that level of technology and make sure that their needs are met as well?
Sure. Right. And I think, again, the opportunity is for us to make sure those dealers are well trained on the technology, and it is developing. And I think together we see the real opportunity in how to present it in such a way that it provides, as I talked earlier about the value proposition, how does it improve the experience, and does it add value to the customer? And again, I think if we approach it, if we listen to the customer and we approach it from how they use this equipment, there's a lot of opportunity there.